Hey guys, this is Maji from MajiTuts. Just a very short tutorial on how you can delete audio within Premiere Pro. In our timeline here, we got a video clip that comes with some audio. Let's have a listen to that. Okay, great. So now if you would just like to delete the audio, there are several ways you can do that. First of all, you can select both of those clips and you can right click and then you just go to unlink. Now you will be able to select both of these clips separately and also to delete them separately. So now you can just click on the audio track and then press delete on the keyboard and that audio track will be gone. However, there's also another way how you can easily delete audio from Premiere Pro. Instead of going to unlink, what you can do is you can actually just use that lock symbol here on the left side of the track and lock the video track, and then you can also easily just delete the audio track. And you can also move the audio track like this separately from the video track. If you would simply like to cut out only pieces of the audio, you can obviously also do that. Just select your audio track, make it a little bit bigger, then select the razor tool by pressing C on the keyboard. Zoom in a little bit, and let's say you don't want this part here, so you just cut it with the razor tool. Switch back to the normal tool by pressing V on the keyboard, select it, delete, and that part of the audio is gone. It's as simple as that. If you did indeed enjoy this video, it would be great if you could subscribe to the channel, and please don't forget to hit the notification bell. Have a great day, guys. See you soon. Bye.